Why can nobody that isn't Scottish do our accent? I don't know. I mean, it's quite annoying, isn't it, when people just can't do the Scots accent? Like, I like to think that my accent's like a Gladstone accent, so sort of like between Edinburgh and Glasgow. So it's kind of like a mix between the two. I mean, there's so many different Scots accents. You know, you can go all the way up to Aberdeen, down all around, and literally drive like 20 minutes, and it's a totally different accent everywhere, you know. A lot of people say that I sound like Lorraine Kelly sometimes. My Scots accent actually comes from Glaswegian, but because I go in between Glasgow and Edinburgh, I kind of sort of sit like right in the middle. But I would love to have some pointers, you know, if where I'm going wrong. What you could do for me actually is I have a website called theaccentbank.com, and on that website you can basically download a script, read it for like, it takes 3 minutes of your life. You read the script, it's got, you know, just a bunch of words and you say the alphabet and numbers and stuff like that. Then you email me a copy of the video and then I upload it to the Accent Bank so other people can hear your accent. Actually, anyone with any accent can do this. And then I basically put it on my website for other people to learn accents. So I'd love it if you could do that for me. That would be great. All right, so hopefully you're a wee bit more impressed with this accent than you were before.